What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're going to talk about the top 5 factors that affect your credit score. Now, watch to the very end so you won't miss out on the bonus information that we have for you. And you definitely don't want to miss that. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, my C.W.C crew. It is important to keep in mind that your credit score can change at a drop of a hat due to your credit activity. Now, building and repairing your credit can make it easier to open doors with lenders, landlords, and even your employer. Now, with your credit score below that 600 range, can benefit from using credit cards built to build your credit. Okay, now we're going to discuss the top 5 factors that will affect your credit score. And the first thing is payment history. Payment history is 35% of your credit score. Now, your track record consists of on-time payments. This is the most important factor that the credit bureaus look at to calculate your credit score. Now, tools like auto pay and account alerts can nip late payments in the bud. So if you're now new at credit, become an authorized user on a responsible credit card user. Doing this will help you build your credit fast. You becoming from 0 credit to having at least a 750, well, above 700 credit score. Okay. Now, the second thing that you will have to, that will affect your credit score is credit utilization. Credit utilization is 30% of your credit report. Now, how much of your available credit can you use? Count for nearly 1/3 of your credit score. The amount you owe won't automatically hurt your score, but it will lower your utilization ratio. Okay. Now, a higher credit limit can help you reduce your ratio below the recommended 30%. Now, like I said in my other previous videos, now you want to stay below that 10%. That's that sweet spot, okay? Now, if you can get lower to 3%, that's even better, because the only thing we should be using these cards for is to fill up your gas tank or to pay your Netflix or Hulu, okay? We're charging small amounts on these cards, so that way we can pay them off every month and build that history with them, okay? Now, also, the third thing that will affect your credit score is the length of credit history, which is 15% of your credit. Considering the age of your oldest and newest account, the age of your other cards accounts, the average length of your accounts, and how long it's been since you used them. Okay. Now, instead of canceling cards, people with limited history can build credit by keeping their oldest card open and use them sporadically. Okay. Now, the fourth thing that you should discuss about is credit max, which is 10% of your credit usage. Now, you can bump up your score a bit by successfully maintaining different types of cards, like a mortgage or car installment, on top of these credit cards, okay? Although FICA do not require multiple credit lines, a credit card loan may be option if you need to boost your credit quickly, okay? Now, last but not least is new credit. This counts as 10% of your credit history. This fraction of your credit score is reserved for new credit inquiries you've been made over the past 12 months. Be careful, since each credit application could temporarily shave an average of 5 points off your credit score for a few months. And personally, it'll fetch from anywhere between 3 to 6 months. Mostly after 6 months, it doesn't affect your credit report, but it will still show on your credit report, okay? Okay, so now I'm here to make it easier for you to find the best credit cards for bad credit. Now, out of the 200 cards that I have done some research about, I have a couple of credit cards that I want you to talk about, okay? And this comes to my bonus round. Okay, you guys, now bonus round. The best credit cards for bad credit that we're going to talk about is Secure MasterCard from Capital One. This card is best for rebuilding your credit, okay? And then also you have Open Sky Secure Visa credit card. Now this credit card is best for credit education support, okay? Now, I have another one is Capital One Bank Visa for rebuilding credit. This is the best for unsecured credit card with rewards, okay? Then also you have the Self Credit Builder account plus Secure Visa credit card. This is best for building your credit with savings, okay? This is basically where you put money into an account each and every month, and then that money will grow your limit for that card, okay? And then also you have Patel One No Annual Fee Visa credit card. This is best for local cashback offers. And then you have another Credit One Bank Visa credit card. This is best for flexible payments, okay? Then you have the Discover It Secure credit card. This card is the best secure card with rewards, okay? Now, you do have that Credit One Bank unsecured Visa with free credit score access for best credit score tracking, okay? Now, Discover It card do have a app that you can download that you can actually check your balance as well as your FICO score. Now, we also have the Navy Federal N Reward Secure Credit Card, which is also great. I did a video about Navy Fed Secure Credit Card. I'll put it up here, and I also will post it down in the description box below, okay? So there you have it. These are the best credit cards for bad credit out of 200 credit cards that I looked at, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out. And also, let me know what y'all want to talk about, what y'all think, what y'all need to help you start building or improving your credit, okay? Put it down in the description box below so that way I'll know that we can help each other out, okay? My name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Let's take credit to the next level. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next video.